So Pantea, I've known you for a few years. Pantea has spoken at the laser before, maybe 2 lasers, I don't remember. She has exhibited at the last festival that I organized. So I should know your bio. I didn't prepare, but anyway, Pantea was born in Iran. She has lived in Iran, in Britain, and now she lives in the United States. She has exhibited in many countries, from Iran, Algeria, United States, other parts of Europe. And maybe it's better if I just let you go with your presentation. And she has an exhibition right now during the pandemic, which of course is not terribly easy to see. And so there was the pretext for having Pantea talk at these events again. Okay, I'll kill my video, so I give you all the bandwidth.
Thank you. Okay. I'm Pantea Karimi. I am Iranian American, and my works explore the intersection of art, history, and science. I research medieval and early modern scientific manuscripts. Today, in this presentation, I will share the content of my current exhibition called The Unbearable Lightness of Mathematics at the Mercury 20 Gallery in Oakland. This exhibition reflects on my intensive science training in high school in the late 80s in post-revolutionary Iran with the aim of becoming a doctor, a goal that I abandoned to pursue an art career. This is the view of the installation in the gallery. I have reconstructed my 1980s science classroom with 10 mock blackboards and other components. The floor is marked with black spots, reminder of the long inspection lines in my schoolyard. Ironically, these demarcations are also familiar during the COVID-19 pandemic. Above our blackboard in the class, we had images of revolutionary leaders. The blackboards started with Benam Khoda, which means in the name of God in Persian. I have written this phrase on every blackboard. We had to write Benam Khoda every morning on top of the blackboard, and we were not allowed to erase it during the class time. Every morning, we were searched for the forbidden items in the schoolyard before getting to our first class, which was math. The forbidden items included white shoes, white socks, images and cassettes of Western celebrities, and other similar items. These stories are familiar thanks to Marjane Satrapi's widely read graphic novel, Persepolis. What is not, however, captured in the Satrapi's graphic novel and other similar autobiographical stories of coming of age in post-revolutionary Iran is the pressure placed on the youth for excelling in mathematics. In the gallery, I have put the confiscated items in a plexiglass box, and these items are mine. I brought them from Iran 3 trips before when I visited Iran in 2016. This experience of being searched every morning and the restrictive educational system that did not leave room for focused learning or personal explorations, in fact, created anxiety for me. I have shown this anxiety through the gradual fading of the contents of the mock blackboards. This is blackboard number 1, which includes the mimic of Newton's mathematical handwriting next to mine in Persian, articulating my thoughts on anxiety about learning math and exams. I'm going to show you the blackboards one by one. This is blackboard number 2, number 3, 4, 5. And you can see gradually the content of the blackboards are becoming cloudier and less visible. And number 10, almost the content is not visible anymore. I'm showing this process in this animation so you can see how the blackboard number 1 to 10 fades out. And this is supposed to show the psychological state of mind I had when I started my class, which was math. It was the first section every day. The exhibition also includes a second installation on the wall, which I used lines that are a reminder of my notebook's lines and shapes that I have extracted from the medieval math manuscripts, which I research. The shapes are presented out of context here. Therefore, they only appear as artistic, abstract shapes, but not mathematical anymore. I also wanted to express myself as an artist, so I have written Persian numbers and formulas with black chalk on the wall. And this is something that was forbidden during the science classes, that we could not write anything on our notebooks except for some notes that were relevant to the classroom topics. And here I have a video which I'm really hoping that is going to play just fine. This shows the gallery installation.
Thank you. So how can we see this exhibition?
This exhibition opened on September 12th and runs through October 17th. It is open on Friday and Saturday every week, 12 to 6 p.m. On this Saturday, October 3rd, I'm going to be there from 12 to 6 p.m. and only wearing a mask is required when you enter the exhibition. And then the next time I will be there is October 17th, 3 to 6 p.m.
Okay, so no need to make appointments, just those are the hours.
These are the hours, Friday, Saturday, 12 to 6 p.m. I'm going to be there October 3rd and October 17th. No appointment is required, only wearing a mask. And just when you enter the exhibition, social distancing, of course, is encouraged.
Okay, the location.
The exhibition is in Oakland, called Mercury 20 Gallery, is on the 25th Street 475 25th Street, Oakland.
Okay, Mercury 20.
Mercury 20 Gallery, correct.
Okay, let's see if we have some more questions. I see there's a chat going on. Blanca, have you been following the chat?
Yeah, I'm following the chat.
Okay, I don't know. There's no questions, right? They're just asking about the slides. Okay, Rebecca, you still there? Maybe not. Anyway, okay, looks like we're done.
Yes.
You there?
I'm here, sorry.
Yeah, I just wanted to see you as we close. Okay, so I don't see any more questions. So this is it. Thank you very much. I think this was a fun evening. It was last few times we had.
Thank you so much.
We had scientists and artists are more fun. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you everybody for listening and watching. Sorry that the videos were not perfect, but that's what we get with today's technology. And check lasertalks.com for the next events. Thank you.
Thank you,
everybody.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.